garlic flavored onions or onion flavored garlic going here. Delicious.
What are you putting on that steak?
Garlic and rosemary. That's all we need.
Ooh.
Marinate that. Get it ready to go on. Get those veggies nice and done. We'll close the lid of our travel stew.
Got my flamingo plate so I can feel like I'm in paradise.
You are in paradise.
I am. We're in great Georgian Bay. Had a beautiful day snorkeling. And we're not done our adventures yet.
Take a little bit of onion, a little bit of garlic. There's a little pocket inside the mushroom. See the pocket?
Yep.
You take the onion, nice warmed up onions. Put them in the mushroom, a little chunk of garlic, a little pocket. See the little pocket between the stem and the mushroom head? And stuff them in there. And flavor these mushrooms up real nice. With some garlic flavored onions and onion flavored garlic. It's a thing of beauty. Just double checking, making sure they're got a nice sliver of onion in there. And a nice chunk of garlic. You're going to put them right on the grill upside down so that onion cooks right inside the mushroom head. And flavors these mushrooms. Look at that one. Stuffed with beautiful garlic and onion. These mushrooms are going to be spectacular.
That one's getting brown already.
Yeah.
Yeah, we didn't have any butter. Now here's Chef Billy. Billy R.D. He's got his steaks on. He's cooking them very slowly over top of the mushrooms, and now transferring them over the onions. And once we get some of these mushrooms ready, we're going to stuff them with some mozzarella tonight. How does it smell, Billy?
Absolutely spectacular. Can you smell that on through there?
I can.
iPhone hasn't got a smelly camera yet.
Nope. I think we need to
Challenge
develop an app.
Yeah. There's a flip of the steak with the rosemary and the garlic on it. Right on top of the mushrooms. And on top of the onions off the mushrooms. On top of the onions. All that flavor going with the onions. And these mushrooms are almost ready to put a little dab of cheese on it. Diane's got the cheese nice and cut.
Sure, that's very funny. What are you saying? What are you saying, Billy? Saying I cut the cheese?
You cut the cheese fine.
If anybody knows Billy, he's got a sense of humor.
A little bit of mozzarella.
Oh, there it goes. Good save.
Yep, salad.
Oh, that's okay. Flavors of the grill.
We're not counting calories on this meal.
Well, even so, this is not too bad. We just did a great hike, went snorkeling. We did a lot.
Yep, we learned the calories.
That's right. And did you know, fat burns fat? Billy loves it when I say that. Okay, I've made up a salad that goes with our dinner. So in the salad, it's based on spinach. I have some Parmesan cheese. I also like to use Asiago cheese. Didn't have any for today, but we put some walnuts, some sunflower seeds, some tomatoes, olives. There's garlic, there's celery, and is that it? Oh, tomatoes. And we got tomatoes in there as well. And for our dressing, I like to use a creamy poppy seed. This is not the one I usually use. I used, I think it's Renee's. Yeah, Renee's. But this is all they had here. I like to go for the full fat for salad dressing. It just brings out the flavor, and it's actually better for you because there's not a lot of additives added in the regular one.